Ever seen a pancake bigger than your head? This eggy street crepe stuffed with herbs and crunch, and it's folded in seconds. Stick around. Is that fruit coated in glass? Hawthorn berries drenched in molten sugar. One bite, the shell explodes. Hear it pop.
This video shows the full process of making a Chinese-style steamed bun. From preparing the dough to the final steaming stage, it gives a close look at how something that looks simple on the outside actually requires careful steps, timing, and technique to get the perfect soft texture and rich flavor. The process starts with the most basic but important part: the dough. Flour is placed in a large bowl, and water is added gradually. Along with water, yeast is mixed in to help the dough rise. Sometimes, a little sugar is also added to activate the yeast faster and improve the taste slightly. At this stage, everything looks rough and uneven, but that is normal in the beginning. The next step is kneading. This is where the real work begins. The dough is pressed, folded, and stretched again and again until it becomes smooth and elastic. This step is very important because it develops the structure of the dough. If the kneading is not done properly, the final buns will not be soft. The person making the buns keeps working the dough until it no longer sticks to the hands and has a clean, soft surface. After kneading, the dough is left to rest. This is called fermentation or proofing. During this time, the yeast starts working inside the dough, producing gas and causing it to expand. The dough slowly rises and becomes larger in size. This step requires patience because rushing it will affect the final result. A warm environment helps the dough rise better, so it is usually kept covered in a slightly warm place. Once the dough has doubled in size, it is taken out and pressed lightly to remove excess air. Then it is divided into smaller equal portions. Each portion will become one steamed bun. These pieces are rolled into smooth balls and then flattened slightly to prepare for filling. Now comes the filling part, which gives the bun its main flavor. In Chinese-style steamed buns, the filling can be different depending on the recipe. It can be minced pork mixed with soy sauce, ginger, and spices, or it can be vegetables like cabbage and mushrooms. The filling is placed in the center of the flattened dough. Folding the bun is a skill in itself. The edges of the dough are lifted and pleated carefully, then brought together at the top to seal the bun. This creates the classic shape, with folds on top. If not sealed properly, the filling can leak during steaming, so attention to detail is important here. After shaping, the buns are not cooked immediately. They are left to rest again for a short time. This second resting period allows the dough to relax and rise slightly again. This step makes the buns softer and lighter after cooking. Next is the steaming process. A steamer is prepared with boiling water underneath. The buns are placed inside, usually on a cloth or paper, to prevent sticking. The lid is closed, and steam begins to build up inside. Steaming is a gentle cooking method. Instead of direct heat, hot steam surrounds the buns and cooks them evenly from all sides. As they cook, the buns expand a little more and become soft and fluffy. The outer surface stays smooth and slightly shiny, which is a signature look of steamed buns. The timing of steaming is important. If undercooked, the dough will be raw inside. If overcooked, the texture can become too firm. So the person cooking keeps track of time carefully. Once the steaming is complete, the lid is opened carefully to avoid sudden temperature change. The buns are taken out while still hot. At this point, they look soft, full, and perfectly shaped. When one bun is opened, the inside reveals the filling. If it is a meat filling, it is juicy and flavorful. If it is vegetable filling, it is moist and well cooked. The combination of the soft outer layer and the rich filling inside is what makes these buns so popular. What makes this whole process interesting is how simple ingredients are transformed step by step. Flour, water, and yeast turn into a soft, airy structure. Raw filling turns into a rich and cooked center. Every step plays a role, from kneading to resting to steaming. The video also shows the level of care and attention needed. Even though this is a common food, making it properly requires practice. Small mistakes in timing or technique can change the final result. In the end, the video is not just about cooking. It shows a traditional method that has been used for a long time. It reflects patience, skill, and consistency. The final steamed bun may look simple, but behind it is a complete process that brings together technique, timing, and experience.